Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF or GIF, I guess, correctly to a Google slide. So if I search cell cycle GIF, all right, and I'm going to look at this one. Okay, this looks pretty good. If you try and do it this way, copy image, which is how you normally insert an image, come over here and right click and paste it in. You'll notice even if I go to present mode, this is not doing anything. So I'm going to escape out of present mode and I'm going to use the same image, the same GIF, but I'm going to show you how to do it correctly. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this GIF and instead of copying it, I'm going to copy the image address. And I'm going to go back here and I'm going to insert an image and I'm going to do it by URL. Now I'm going to paste that image address. When you do, it's going to pull it up and you're going to see it's the animated version. Awesome. Click insert. And now you can see this is actually the animated version. So if I present, you can see here was just the still when I tried to do it the other way. Here it actually shows me the animated GIF. Just like with a normal picture, you can click on it, drag to resize it. Normal picture, same thing with the GIF. I can take it, drag it, and resize it. Okay, so again, I'll show you, let's look at cytokinesis. So let's search cytokinesis GIF. All right, and let's look at this one. This is a plant cell one. Okay, and it's animated with the words down here. I don't like how slowly that one is moving. Students will have a hard time seeing it. Let's look at this one. Okay, this one seems to be better. So I'm going to copy this image address. Actually, I take that back. That one is definitely not better. So let's look at this one. There we go. Copy image address. Go back here. Insert image by URL. Paste. Wait till it pops up. Insert it. Okay, just wait till it loads and drag from any of the corners. You can see it shows animated in my actual slide when I'm on that slide. And if I go to present mode, you can see clearly it shows the animated GIF version of it.